Yancheng First Public Retail Market, also known as Yanyi Market, has been a staple in Kaohsiung for over 76 years. This well-established landmark was newly renovated in 2022 with a hipster vibe and unique offerings that turned the market into a popular tourist destination. Yanyi Market now boasts a vibrant nightlife with artistic lighting and community gathering spaces that become more lively and fun after dark. At night, the Yanyi Market comes alive. This is the place where the younger generation come for a small bite or a quick drink. This place is full of world cuisines, Taiwanese nostalgic snacks, and oh, I see in front of me a 24-hour self-service little shop. There are some little stickers, postcards. Means I like Kaohsiung. We're here in Kaohsiung. Remember to pay before you leave. Owner and chef Austin is a young man and non-vegetarian who wanted to challenge himself by breaking boundaries and pushing conventions in the vegan space. His restaurant at Yanyi Market combines a Japanese-style counter dining experience with French culinary techniques while weaving in local Taiwanese flavors to offer a fresh and innovative vegan dining experience. The restaurant's name, the Borage, comes from a plant that's sometimes called an oyster leaf. "The world is your oyster" is also the famous Shakespeare quote that Austin has adopted as a motto throughout his culinary journey. To him, it represents endless possibilities, and he hopes the vegan food world continues to be a place where he's free to explore. The restaurant's vegan tasting menu is updated regularly to highlight seasonal ingredients. It focuses on using 100% plant-based ingredients and no eggs, dairy, or meat substitutes. Everything is built around seasonal produce with sustainability at its core. The first amuse-bouche on the menu is a Cantaloupe Gazpacho. This new take on a Spanish classic is a blend of green cantaloupe and almonds, simply seasoned with olive oil, salt, lemon, and celery juice. The second appetizer features baby corn and red quinoa. Grilled baby corn is brushed with a balsamic vinegar glaze, then sprinkled with deep-fried puffed quinoa, a nod to Taiwanese grilled corn and popcorn.
那稍后呢，从冷汤开始食用，它主要的调味呢，我用了西芹去中和哈密瓜的甜味。这个是 nutmeg 肉豆蔻。好，可以帮我接一下吗？
谢谢。
来，帮我接一下。这个是另外一个餐前菜。
谢谢。
玉米笋跟红藜麦，那喜欢用，希望你会喜欢。
The fresh nutmeg smells amazing. This is a honeydew melon soup, a cold soup. Oh.
那我用了这个烤过的杏仁，去让整个汤是变得比较 creamy 的口感。对，那也是去中和哈密瓜本身水果的甜味。
It smells really refreshing. It tastes just like a honeydew milkshake. This is perfect. 好漂亮哦，这个 red quinoa。
我通常炸完还会多一个程序，我会风干脱油 （dehydrated）。除了是降低细菌啊，保持温度，那它可以变成更 crunchy。
This baby corn's beautiful. It's very juicy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. And the grain aroma after it's fried, it's amazing. So there's two options for the appetizer. I chose the Chinese kale.
它的芥蓝真的弄得很好吃，我不知道怎么讲。
你吃过这个吗？
那个就看，就是我吃完之后回去就一直在想那个味道，
回味无穷。
对。
它的乐梨好黄哦，
我也这样觉得。
因为是 fresh，always the best。
但是乐梨不是会氧化
我们都会加柠檬汁，
哦，
最天然的抗氧化。
Is this pickled? Pickled red cabbage?
Yeah, I pair some red cabbage pickled with my Chinese kale.
All your dishes are so colorful.
Because I think doing vegan cuisine, you need work like artist.
Imagination.
Especially, I'm working in the traditional markets. I need to attract people come here. So I need to like put much more effort in my dishes to make it unique. Okay, Chinese kale for lady.
Wow, thank you.
And Japanese sweet potato for you. Underneath is cauliflower, which is in season in Taiwan. And I pair with some chestnuts taste,
potatoes.
like called sweet potato.
That looks like the cauliflower sauce. Very thick paste.
And on the top is fresh dill and parsley.
And kumquat.
然后它摆盘还摆得很漂亮。
Yeah, enjoy.
Austin prepares the Chinese kale flour so well that there isn't a hint of bitterness, even while retaining the natural crispness and sweetness. Tanginess comes from the pickled purple cabbage. Meanwhile, citrus notes in the guacamole really elevate the dish and bring everything together. Sarah generously shared some of her chestnut sweet potato with me after seeing how much I enjoyed it. We both agreed that the sweet potato was incredibly moist and moorish, with a soft buttery texture that felt more like a dessert. I especially liked the cauliflower puree drizzled with kumquat juice for a bright acidic finish that was absolutely perfect. Okay, the main course. Let me try the one that actually has the borage, the breakthrough. For the main course, Sarah chose a pasta dish called Rebelle.
我第一次来就是坐这边，然后就全程看他表演。哇，好绿哦！
基本的绿，
太绿了吧！
再稍微翻一下。好，那我就会去摆盘了。
面感觉比较粗哦。
它是吸管面，所以它可以吸附更多的酱汁。
Seasonal vegetables are lightly seasoned, then quickly seared.
它上面那个小叶子呢，它就叫 Borage， 刚好是我的一个店名。Someone said it tastes like oyster leaves. Risotto Kale sauce. 来这边吸管面，黄金山东大白菜的意大利面。 tastes like oyster, definitely.
Oh!
That's the reaction.
This risotto has an intense, vibrant green color reminiscent of a traditional pesto risotto, but the flavor is completely different. The sauce substitutes kale, resulting in a gentle bitterness followed by a subtle sweetness. It's made with arborio rice, a variety of Italian round rice traditionally used to create rich, creamy risotto. Dara said her pasta was incredibly filling and the kimchi sauce added just the right amount of acidity. The fried fiddlehead ferns had a texture similar to seaweed. Delicious. Time for dessert!
这是什么冰淇淋？
这个是南瓜籽，烟熏它，然后再做成冰淇淋。
What is this? 青木瓜。
Correct.
好厉害！
这个是 tangerine， 橘香草。
This brownie is made using chickpea aquafaba to replace eggs, extra virgin olive oil instead of butter, decadent French chocolate, and cocoa powder. The luxurious flavor is paired with sweet potato ice cream, which is flambéed to finish.
好，帮你准备甜点，玩味，谢谢。
谢谢。
好，巧克力布朗尼烤地瓜的冰淇淋。
受不了了，我太长。可爱。Let me try the ice cream by itself first.
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin seed flavor.
Yes.
Whoa. Wait, it's smoky ice cream. So you smoked the seeds before making it
Yes, definitely.
into ice cream. Whoa.
Compared to mine, Dara's chocolate brownie with sweet potato ice cream felt more down to earth. But the fact that you can enjoy Michelin-worthy, fine dining vegan desserts inside a traditional market is kind of an unbelievable experience. One bite and it's simply unforgettable.